Hey guys, it's Don again, and today we're back with another video on the BMW iX. Recently, I've been able to see the BMW iX in person as a demo, so I'm going to share with you my thoughts and first impressions of the car. So let's get started! First off, if you're thinking of buying the BMW iX, you made a good decision. This is probably the best luxury SUV EV on the market that's available to purchase currently. There aren't that many luxury EV SUVs on the market right now, except for this one and the Audi e-tron SUV, as well as the Genesis GV60 EV that's already available to customers. However, if you order one now, it's going to be a year's wait because all orders taken now are for 2023 models. They're not taking orders for 2022 models anymore as of now. And especially with the ongoing war, shortages, and you already know about the increase in gas prices, the demand has been really high, much higher than BMW's expectations. If you're planning to purchase a large luxury EV SUV, the BMW iX is, in my opinion, the best option on the market currently. It's a great family car with its incredibly spacious interior for its occupants. If you're coming from a Tesla, the build quality would definitely impress you. The iX is built on a brand new dedicated EV architecture. A car built from the ground up to be an EV is going to be superior in every measurable aspect, such as being lighter, more rigid, better packaged than converting an existing gasoline engine chassis architecture over, such as its cousin, the BMW i4 built on the same platform as the traditional 3 and 4 series. Although credit where is due, the drawback and compromise of the i4 is very well hidden. It's a very competent EV in its own regard. One of the major strengths of the BMW iX is its truly spacious interior for its occupants. The amount of space is enormous in every single dimension, whether it is shoulder room, headroom, legroom. The rear passengers also benefit from not having a rear hump, where traditionally the drive shaft would be for rear-wheel drive platforms. On top of that, you also get a much lower center of gravity for its increased sportiness due to the skateboard battery design of EV platforms. The model we are looking at here is the xDrive 50. There is also the optional M60 as well as the 40, which is not available in the US yet. The iX has roughly the exterior dimensions as the X5. It has a minimalistic look for its interior. This particular example was covered in microfiber or wool for its interior trim, which also looked like suede to me. Wow, the redesign of the interior made it look and feel genuinely spacious. The body is also the first of its kind from a mix of materials such as carbon fiber reinforced polymer, which stands for CFRP, aluminum, and high-strength steel. You can clearly see and feel the CFRP when you open the door by the door panels, so when you shut the door, you're gonna hear a louder than expected thump. However, this car is very well insulated, so you don't have to worry about the wind noise in an SUV that costs more than $83,000. The exterior door handle was a little bit surprising because you expect to pull out the handle just like every other car. However, the door handle actually is just a cutout and you put your hand into the door handle and press a button to open the door. The interior door handles have a unique design that reminded me of architectural buildings due to its unique curves and arches. There is a 4-inch deep hole that I could fit my entire hand into the door handle cutout. The interior door handles are of course buttons only, which a lot of EVs are starting to do instead of actual door handles. Regarding the rear passenger space, you can sit 3 adults back there in relative comfort and lug around giant suitcases as well in the trunk. I expect to be able to carry more cargo compared to the X5, especially with the under trunk storage as well. Overall, this is going to be an exceptional family SUV which can also double up the family car elsewhere as a fun sporty weekend car. And if you like road trips as well, it's going to be a great partner with its excellent charging curve as well as highway efficiency of around 3.2 miles per kilowatt hour, which is as good or better than the Model X. If you're a car enthusiast like me, you probably already figured out that The Germans love underrating everything, including the range, which means it could go well over 324 miles of highway miles by 6.5%, which is about 345 miles. The BMW iX comes with 2 years of free Electrify America DC fast charging, 30-minute sessions, but there is no cooldown after the 30 minutes, meaning you can just replug it to charge it more if needed. If you were to DC fast charge, you can get 90 miles with just 10 minutes of charging. However, if this is too expensive for you, there should be a cheaper trim coming soon, which will be the iDrive 40. There will be updates for this one next year. If you're in the market for one, I would definitely get on the dealer's call list for one once the date comes closer. Alright, that's it for now. Stay tuned for my update on my Taycan coming soon. Subscribe for more and see you guys next time.